Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay next episode. First let me open Netflix app. See, this is a Netflix app, but you cannot find option to turn off autoplay next episode in this Netflix TV app. So what you have to do, you have to install Netflix app in your mobile phone, then open it. Then you have to log into same account. Then select your profile. Then tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on these three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Then again select your profile. Go down. Here you can turn on or off autoplay next episode. At profile level we can control that. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.